Hi, I'm Anne for MadameSew.com and today I'm sewing with vinyl fabrics and I'm showing you 4 tools that make sewing with this material a lot easier. I'm using vinyl in a very large sense, so I'm referring to different kinds of fabrics with plastic or a plastic layer attached to it. And what they have in common is that the surface is more sticky than regular fabric, and that's what makes it difficult. If you want more details or more background information and more tips and tricks besides the tools, you have to go to my blog post on MadameSew.com. My guess is that if you're looking at this video, you will probably have had these kinds of issues with vinyl, or you're hesitant or afraid of these tiny stitches, uneven stitches, or wobbly results. I tried to gather a wide range of different types of vinyl-like fabrics, like these tablecloth fabrics or the ones you use for toiletry bags, some faux leathers, some transparent plastic, so I can show you and test the effect of the tools on these different kinds of fabric. These are the tools I found for you. There's the non-stick foot that is made out of material that slides better over sticky surfaces. Then there is the roller foot, a foot that has a little roller that helps the top layer to move easier under your presser foot. These 2 feet come in the 32 pieces Madame Sew Ultimate Presser Foot set. And there's the walking foot with its upper feet dogs that walk over the top layer instead of sliding. And the last one, the little stranger in the group, is tissue paper. So I started off with the non-stick foot. I snapped it on my brother machine and tested this foot with a wide range of fabrics. And for most of them, it worked really well. But then the backside of this blue fabric has little knobs, and I felt some resistance, and my stitches got smaller. So I thought, time to test the other tool, the roller foot. And luckily, the roller foot could handle these knobs much better. So for this kind of fabric, this foot appeared to be a better solution. And also on this vinyl pouch, the roller rolled over this fabric easily, and the non-stick foot didn't. The right side of this blue fabric, which is like a little oily, was the most difficult. With the roller foot and with the non-stick foot, I didn't get great results, but luckily the walking foot knew how to handle it. So my advice, always test on a little scrap. And I have one thing left for you, and that's the tissue paper. It's a great little hack that I found online. You just put this paper underneath and on top of your fabric, so on the needle plate and under the presser foot, and you sew your seam like you would normally do, and then tear away the paper afterwards. So you're adding another temporary layer, 2 layers, and that aren't sticky. And this is how you handle sticky fabric with tissue paper. So if you don't have any of the specialty feet I talked about earlier and you want to start right now, you can use this hack. So if you only want to buy one tool that can handle all these fabrics, I would take the walking foot. And if you're frustrated and you're stuck and the fabric just doesn't do what you want it to do, just find the right tool. That's my advice. With the right tool, any project is doable. So, with that, I wish you a very pleasant day. Bye! And check out the tools in our store.